Hey everyone, welcome to Compare Core, your go-to spot for honest product reviews and real comparisons that actually help you decide. If you're in the market for a new blender in 2025, stop right here, because we've tested the top models. And trust me, you don't want to waste your money on the wrong one. Whether you're into morning smoothies, nut butters, soups, or crushing ice like a pro, we've got something for every need and every budget. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best blenders of 2025, breaking down their real-world performance, design, price, and features, so you can pick the one that's totally worth it. Let's dive in and find out which blender truly blends the best. Number 1. Vitamix A3500. If there's one blender that truly does it all in 2025, it's this beast. The Vitamix A3500 isn't just powerful, it's smart. From silky smoothies to steamy soups, it blends anything you throw in that 64-ounce jar, fast and flawlessly. Got frozen fruits or ice? No problem. Want nut butter or hummus? This thing powers through thick blends like it's nothing. The hot soups setting even heats ingredients while it blends. So yeah, it basically cooks. And despite all that power, it's surprisingly quiet and super solid. Cleaning? Easy. Just rinse or pop it in the dishwasher. If you want professional results at home, this is the blender that's setting the bar in 2025. Total game changer. Number 2. Vitamix Explorian E310. Looking for that Vitamix power without the premium price tag? Then the Explorian E310 is your go-to blender. It skips the fancy screen and auto programs, but don't let that fool you. This machine blends like a champ. With its 48-ounce jar, it's perfect for single-serve smoothies, sauces, or small soup batches. And when it comes to tougher jobs, like leafy greens or fibrous fruits, it powers through smoothly, giving you that velvety texture Vitamix is known for. Crushing ice? Easy. Nut butter? Fast and mess-free. It's louder than the A3500 and requires a bit more hands-on attention, but it's super reliable and built to last. If you're cool with going manual and want serious performance on a budget, the E310 is a solid pick for 2025. Number 3. Breville the Fresh and Furious. If you're after a solid mid-range blender that delivers where it counts, the Fresh and Furious from Breville might be your next kitchen favorite. Sure, it's not as sturdy as a Vitamix, and the buttons feel a bit light, but when it comes to blending performance, this thing holds its own. From leafy greens to fruits, it creates silky smooth blends, whether you're making a small smoothie or a big veggie mix. It even crushes ice into snow. Just don't overload it. It's super user-friendly, though it lacks a tamper and can't do hot blends. But for nut butters, green shakes, and everyday recipes, it totally gets the job done. If you're upgrading from a basic blender and want quality without going full premium, the Fresh and Furious is definitely worth a look. Number 4. Chefman Obliterator. Budget blender users, this one's for you. The Chefman Obliterator may come with a small price tag, but don't let that fool you. This blender punches way above its weight. With a 48-ounce jar and a handy travel cup, it's compact, practical, and surprisingly powerful. It crushed ice better than some mid-range models and tackled fibrous ingredients with no sweat. Whether it's kale or frozen fruits, you're getting smooth results. Plus, the rare for this price auto blend mode lets you step back and let it do the work. Sure, it's a bit loud and struggles a little with thick recipes like nut butter. But for the price, it's easy to forgive. And cleanup? A breeze thanks to its clean program and dishwasher-safe parts. For everyday blending on a budget, the Chefman Obliterator is a solid win. Number 5. Vitamix Ascent X4. If you've ever been blasted by a blender at 7 a.m., you know why noise matters. The Vitamix Ascent X4 is a game-changer in that department, quieter than most high-end blenders without cutting corners on power. With a 48-ounce jar, this machine is ideal for nut butters, hummus, and smoothies loaded with fibrous greens. It might not match the A3500 in pure speed, but it delivers ultra-smooth results in both small and big batches. And, yep, it makes that snow like crushed ice, too. It's got 6 smart blending programs, a plus 15-second button, and even a tamper holder on the base. The stainless steel design feels premium, and cleanup is no hassle with dishwasher-safe parts. If you're looking for near-silent power, pro performance, and smart features wrapped into one sleek unit, the Ascent X4 is worth the look. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best blenders of 2025. From high-end powerhouses like the Vitamix A3500 to budget-friendly beasts like the Chefman Obliterator, we've covered something for every kitchen and every budget. So, which one stood out to you the most? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. And hey, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Compare Core for more honest tech and product reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a drop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.